All right, so today, man, we got a demonstration, a screen print demonstration with the Holiday kids, the elementary school. We've been working with them for like 2 weeks, working on a design. This is something that the kids designed right here. And we took all of their art and put it on their acronym of ROCK, respect, optimism, courage, and kindness. And so today, we're gonna get a chance to print. Stay tuned. Had a chance to print it yet.
Well, look at the C, bro.
Yeah, the C. Y'all like the C? All right, here we go.
The C.
I want you guys to come out nice. So.
Oh, that's your
Voila.
That's what it's gonna look like?
That's what it's gonna look like. If you print it right. So once we print it, we're gonna bring it on there like this. We're gonna have to sit here for about 30 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Y'all can't count to 30. Let me hear it.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Okay, all right. This is the first print, so it might take a little time. Okay.
Touch it.
Check it out.
The art's better. The art's that's nice. Bro, it looks like the YouTube logo.
All right, so everybody get a chance to print. Once your teacher hands out your side, once you get your shirt, you can line up and we can start printing. Grab the squeegee. There you go. Put it down, Laura. Ready? One. Lift it up. 2. All right, now lift it up. You gotta lift it up. There you go. Bring it back. One more. Process is called? It's called curing the shirt. Drying it. You want to cure the ink inside of the shirt. Right? It has to reach 325 degrees. No, so it stays in your shirt and it doesn't wash out.